Today we're going to show you some high quality stainless steel products from American Carcraft you can use to dress up the interior of your S197 Mustang. This is American Carcraft's Headlight switch trim fitting your 2010 through 2012 Mustang. This is made of a high quality stainless steel right here in the USA and features a brush surface in the center with a polished edge. This installs easily over your factory headlight switch using the supplied double stick tape. Now before we get the installation, I do want to mention my car is a 2013 Boss 302, so the headlight switch is slightly different, meaning that it's a base model. I don't have the buttons under here, your 10 through 12 have, but the concept of installing it's the same, and that's kind of what we want to show you, because the way this ships, it will have to be modified to fit. What you kind of want to do, as you can see, is the bottom, how much it sticks out, so you have to actually bend it to match the contour. So you kind of want to basically bend it. Aluminum, so it'll bend pretty easily. You just want to make sure you don't distort it at all. Okay, once you have the curve right, some alcohol, clean the surface, make sure there's no protectants, interior cleaners, whatever on there. Grab the supplied primer, push until you hear a crack, then shake it up. And put the primer everywhere our double stick tape is going to go, especially at the bottom, since we did have to curve it to make it fit. Then we're going to peel off our double stick tape. Okay, line up the top. And then stick it on. And then hold it for a couple seconds, let the double stick tape catch. The headlight trim piece from American Carcraft adds a nice custom touch to the interior, and if you like the look, there's plenty of other pieces that match it you can install as well. As far as the installation goes, it's very straightforward. Figure about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.